Okay, let's look at the homework 4.3, 4.4, problem number 5. Alright, so we want to take the limit of this quotient, that S is the arc length, which is a part of the circle, over D. D is the distance from here to there. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so I'll help you set things up and maybe have you finish it up. Alright, so let's look at this arc length S. Right, so S can be found by, first I'm gonna call this radius of the circle R. Right, so in order to find the arc length, all you have to do is to multiply radius times the angle in radians. So it's going to be just simply R times theta. Right, and to find D, I'm gonna draw take a midpoint and just cut this triangle in half. So we know that the angle here is 1/2 of the theta, so it's going to be theta over 2, right? And this is going to be a right angle, right? So if you want to find the length, the half of D, so from here to the midpoint, we can simply multiply R times sine of theta over 2. So this is just R times sine of theta over 2. Right, so using the trig ratio, R times sine will give you that. Alright, so but the D is going to be twice as long as this guy, so it's going to be just a D is going to be equal to 2 times R sine of theta over 2. Alright, then if you want to write S over D, so S over D, so we have those guys. So if you write S over D, all you have to do is just put the R theta on top over 2R sine of theta over 2. Right? Then you can cancel R here on top, and there's R on the bottom. Right? Then I'm going to rewrite it in a convenient way so you can see that the theta over 2. So I'll actually put that on top, theta over 2, and divided by, right, sine of theta over 2. Right? Remember that if you have, say, limit of sine theta over theta as theta approaches 0 is equal to 1, and you can take the reciprocal, it's still going to be the same if you have a limit theta approaches 0 of theta over sine of theta. Right, this is still going to be equal to 1 because it's going to be 1 over 1. Right, so can we use can you use the limit this guy and this D's limit to evaluate the limit of this expression right there. Right, so I'll have you finish this one up, but hopefully this was sufficient to get you guys going. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.